Are you serious? Rail fanning on Tom's Trains and Things? Oh, come on! Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And I don't think you've ever seen any rail fanning videos on this channel except for when we were on vacation. But now that we live in Sebring in Central Florida, we have a CSX line that runs within a mile of our house. Now, although I haven't caught it here in Sebring, we caught something in Avon Park January 2nd on the way back from Lakeland, and this afternoon when we was on our way up to Lake Wells. So this first clip is on the way back from Lakeland. It was about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we caught a couple of locomotives speeding down south through Avon Park.
Man, he's fast.
Yeah, it's only 2 locomotives.
Look at it going, man. He's hauling butt. He was like,
we were driving through the back roads of Avon Park, and we came across the end of a train heading north on a CSX line. So we was on our way to Lake Wells anyway, so we drove the 35 plus miles and found a spot on a back road on Old Bartow and Lake Wells Road so we could catch the whole thing. So here it is. I had to cut out the clip from Avon Park because when I rendered it, it kept on freezing on that clip no matter what I did. All right, we're waiting here at Old Bartow Road. SX 832.77, and I hope it's coming this way pretty soon because we saw this down in Avon Park and we're trying to get ahead of it. So right here, and here it comes. All right, I see it coming. I'm going to go over on this side here. There we go. Goes the crossing gate. All right, here we go. just about a half a mile from where we stopped for this last clip, we caught them dumping oranges into the trucks. But Debbie didn't get the camera out fast enough. So on the way back, she caught this, which was no activity, but you could see the ladders there and they were picking, and you could see the big old barrels that they dump everything into. And that's the barrels that they dump into the truck with this big old machine that we missed. So one of these times we'll be able to get it.
Okay.
There we go. There's the bus down there. They had some ladders down here right in front of this bus. There they go. So you may see a little bit more rail fanning from Tom's Trains and Things in the near future, because I sit out on the back porch all hours of the day and I could hear the whistles going. So one of these days I'm going to go start chasing them in Sebring, because I'm going to have to find out what the schedule is, see if I could get on my scanner and hear them coming, and see what I could find. So until the next time, we'll see you.